can't find the password.
What's her name gonna be, xoxo?
Okay, why do... Okay. We're fine! We lived. We're all reunited and we're going shopping now. Okay, so I'm about to try on 2 things. I hear you. Oh. I feel like that's made specifically for Izzy. I think that's made for me. My problem is I literally just like forget I'm filming and I walk around like this. Oh, I didn't see the ones that you're holding. Oh, I mean, it looks worse than it is.
Yeah. It's because I've got like 4 of the same top because I don't know what size. Gucci.
So we're walking back to the hotel and we have our bubble teas. And now we're gonna get ready for dinner. Okay, so we're back in the hotel and I just got changed. This is my dinner outfit and my curls are looking pretty cooked, so Sid is gonna straighten it for me.
I thought she said the girls are looking pretty cool.
Okay, let's lock time to get ready. Hello? You just pick it up. It's just that's gonna get me the most. No, it didn't get. We can't find the password.
What's her name gonna be, xoxo? We're done and you can just connect.
Thank you so much. My gravity center. Hands in. Wait, that's so cute. We're ready for dinner. Do you want to do a fit check first? Yeah. Top is from xoxo, jeans are from Cotton On, sneakers are Adidas, and bag is Dupe Bali Coach.
Okay, so Sambas, they're just Adidas. Jeans are from Cotton On.
Oh, I don't have shoes.
Top is actually from Cotton On as well. Oh, jacket, Cotton On, guys. It's all Cotton On except for the like shoes.
My top is from H&M, my jeans are from Cotton On, I'm wearing these shoes, and I'm gonna bring my Mimco bag, this one. Let's go! We got our bathers on underneath. You can't even see it. Alright, let's go. Stick to the bottom. Mess reveal. So it's currently midnight and we all showered and got into our robes. And now we're gonna put on our face masks. Also, my Sunny Angel head fell off and I just can't be bothered to put it back on. We're still going strong and I don't think we're gonna go to bed for a little while yet still.
Sorry, I'm in the background. Clear demand for it.
There's no one that makes me feel like you do, babe. No reason not to go away.
Yes. It's supposed to be me.
I'm thinking old cars, Cadillacs, smoke.
Nail review? You'd think we planned the matching outfits. There's glitter on my mirror.
Oh, there's no